Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to restore deleted files and folders in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. But we have to do it before the 30 days end, because after that the phone will automatically empty our trash bin and our files will be permanently deleted from the phone. So first we need to open our My Files app. Then at the bottom we have trash utility, and here we have some folders that we deleted. So how to restore them, how to remove them from the trash, how to prevent them from being deleted. So we need to tap and hold, and here we have our menu. So we can choose both, or we can choose only what we need, and then restore. And now the folder is gone from trash, and it's where it was previously here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.